Hey guys, this is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Reddit chat not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, if you encounter this issue, what you will do is just go to your Google Play Store guys and just search for Reddit. And then from here guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application has an update, you will be able to update it over here. And guys, the second option that you have is just go to the settings. And then from here on the settings, just go to the apps. And after you go to the apps, guys, just search for the Reddit. And then from here, just tap on it and just tap on the storage. And from here, guys, clear the cache and also will clear data. And then after that, you should be able to fix the Reddit chat. And guys, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do is just reinstall the application. So first, uninstall the app from your device. And then after that, guys, just go back to the Google Play Store. And from here, just install the application again on your device. And from there, you should be able to have a Reddit chat working on your device. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!